Hey everyone, welcome to the Traders Market Intelligence Report brought to you by WealthBuildersHQ.com. This update is for Monday, the 19th of August, 2024. Hope you're having a fantastic day. I am excited about the market at this point. Keep in mind as we get started that everything we look at is for education. Nothing's meant to be advice or recommendations. All right, so let's start off with economic reports first. All right, so we've got everybody's, reports in there. We're just going to put U.S. reports. Okay, we're going to go look at next week. And let's take a look. So we've got on Monday, FOMC Waller speaking, not a big deal, 9:15. 2 o'clock on Wednesday, FOMC minutes. Red report, be careful, there'll be light volume on Wednesday. Thursday, we've got unemployment, flash manufacturing PMI, flash service PMI. Those were all 8:39, 45. So you got a couple of them as the market's open. 10 o'clock is existing home sales. Jackson Hole Symposium is an all-day event. From there, Powell is speaking on Friday at 10 a.m. along with new home sales, and then another Jackson Hole day. So we got a couple of reports coming out. Let's go over and look at the market. I am so excited. So doing just what we said it would do. All right. So I said the other day in one of our trainings, I am not bullish. When we were down here, I am not bullish until we can get above not only the fib line, but that 5473, which is also another fib level on a pure Fibonacci number line series. 5473 is there. We didn't just get above it, we decimated it. We broke above and went right up to the 764, and now we're rocking up another move today, 11 points to the upside. It's kind of like, yeah, baby, come on, you go, you go, you go. Awesome move on the market. You know, if we look at bigger picture, which we really haven't done in a little bit, we look at a weekly, and, you know, last 2 weeks, rock on like Donkey Kong, baby. We're not all the way back, but man, we're in the right move, the right direction. We're looking at monthly. So we had a bad month, a couple of days, for part of this month, but we ain't done. We're up, right? Now you'll see a downtrend line here, which really I only wanted on the daily chart, right? Where's day? Here we go. This is a daily chart. So that downtrend line came from Jim M., one of our students. We were in Power Hour on Monday, which is a free training each and every Monday. Y'all should be there if you're not. Make sure you go over to tradinglikeaboss.com and you can register for that free training. We go over the S&P, we go over the VIX, and we look at what's happening in the market. There's a topic we teach on, then we look at your candidates as potential trade setups. He said, what if we connect this top and this top? He goes, Rob, you got a confluence right in there. We blew right through that too. Now I'm going to take this off at this point, only because we really don't need it since we blew right through it, right? But we do have an open window. Japanese candlestick terminology, we've got that gap in there. So gaps don't like to be open, so I would not mind that pullback to the 54.73. 54.58 level, somewhere in there, and a bounce. But for right now, man, there's nothing showing us any kind of stop at all. At all. Let's see what we've got here. 55.38 and 67. Call it 68, right? So let me go ahead and my phone is on fire, and I do not quite understand why. People are texting me like crazy right now. So that 55.38 and 56.68, we'll call it. That's 130 points. We've got a 178 on our Fibit. We do not need to split that level in half. We do need a Fibit in there, not for a target, but we need a Fibit in there for violating the 882 on a close. Says it's time to redraw. And with this pattern, I am not going to be surprised if we're going to have to redraw this very choppy down move we made fairly soon or overall, right? So loving the pattern that we're seeing right now. When we look at VIX, fear. Fear factor. What fear, baby? The hell with fear. Fear is nothing. We're at 1480 right now. We're super low. Don't get me wrong. When I was away in Mexico, we got up here to over 65, right? We were just, wow. Crazy intraday fear that day. It was a wild ride. What a great day for VIXY and some of those type positions. And the 2 and 3 times volatility positions just rocked it. But overall right now, we had kind of a flat day, down 43 cents, nothing crazy. Remember, the VIX is an inverse relationship. We get a bullish move on the S&P. In general, we get a bearish move on the VIX. We're up on the S&P today. We're down on the VIX. I'm happy to see that we held today and didn't give a lot back. It's telling me that traders, the bulls, are still in control. We haven't turned it back over at the end of the day and watched profit take place. All right, with that, ladies and gentlemen, have a great rest of your day, and I will see all of you at our next update. Take care, folks. See you then. Bye for now.